Hi guys, I'm super excited to share a new experience with you. Hope you too will love it. I have done a professional course in calligraphy and I have learned to write with many things. For example, brush, but the basic was the pen. But suddenly I encountered a surprising new thing. Teaching my son, I realized that highlighters resembles calligraphy pens. So I figured out we can also use highlighters in place of calligraphy pens. Although a pen is a pen, but for an alternate method, we can use highlighters also. I will show you how. So these are the two highlighters which I have got. You can get any one of them. There is no company which I am recommending, but you can see because I had for studies and not for calligraphy, but you can see they exactly look like a calligraphy pen. You can see this highlighter which is exactly like a calligraphy pen, pretty blunt. See, both of them are looking same. Although the pen is obviously more precise, but you can use this also. See, the higher edge is going to be towards the right and the lower edge is going to be towards the left. And you can start doing calligraphy with it. I am just showing you some letters, small font, basic style. See, we did was a sleeping line, then a standing line, then a curve, and going up, form a thin line in the end, the same style. And I have taken a book this time, if you can notice. The book is of lines. You can take a normal paper, but you'll have to draw lines in it. I prefer line book only because later on I am going to show you how to draw lines and how to write calligraphy because size does matter. You cannot write haywire, otherwise it will not look like a calligraphy. So the next letter was B, and you can see it is going C, D again, a sleeping line, then a thin line, then a curve going upwards in a thin line. This was, you can go back and check out the first font style, small letters. This is what again I am showing you with a highlighter. You can do this. I hope you like using this pen for the time being during the lockdown. So this is, and see, this is the other one. You can even use this one. I'm just showing you that they both are almost the same. They are not different. You can use any one, any brand. And yeah, one more thing which I'll tell you in the end, just stay tuned. There is one more kind of pen, and yeah, I wanted to tell you that if you also are liking doing with the highlighter, then please click the like button. It motivates me to find something new for you all. Now see, this is a liner line plus calligraphy pen, and you can use them. You can get these pens in any online stores, and there are colorful pens also of the same. I have got a black one because it was already there, and I can show you. It is the same way you are using a highlighter. You can use this and you can start doing calligraphy. These are simpler ones, yes, but if you learn with the pen, you can learn anything at all, and you can be precise. See, the way I have taught you all. I am not repeating because it's the first font style. You all can see it's just the pens which I wanted to show you. So I hope you all love the video as much as I love doing it, because for me also highlighters were something new experience I have never done before. So guys, that's it for today.
If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell icon to get notifications on every new video we make. Thank you for watching.